Wakili Isaiah Mungoti kuma matongolo ni wenda amwika kwiyumilia na kuvindwa utongo iva Kenya kwa matambia kivathukanio kwivo kukwatana mbau kukitiivila kivathukanio na kukosoa kana kuleana na utongo imuthuku vate kutumika kutolonga muguo ni wenda nzama yonyuvani na mivaka IEBC kuendea kuthukuma na ulunga luvate kulikililwa ni ateti ivindani ya kwiyumbanisya usakwani munene mwakani wukite otondo Boni Mutisia ukutwelesya.
Isaiah Mungoti watano nginya mwika meyumilie kukutemenya nyaki uteti kana ivela kivathukanio vai muthuthia kwenda naendegia takuni makura imenda kwimbanya uvindo utongo wa nthino ya Kenya kula methito na mathina nthino usakwani ula weteleto mwaka ukite.
Ningetaka kuaje young people, this is our time, tujitokeze na also let's vote and support our youth leaders wale ambao wamejitokeza, because that's the only way we can change not just our constituency Matungulu but our country for good. Tusianze kucomplain tukisema our leaders are not doing this, hawafanyi hivi, lakini when our young people stand up to be counted, atuwachagui. Tunaangalia wale ambao wanatupea pesa na ni watu ambao wamekuwa kituibia for the longest time. So this is our time to stand up and be counted. So ningetaka kuambia wanarika wote, this is our time. Hatutakuwa na wakati mwingine kama huu to make our statement heard, loud and clear.
Ingi matamu ika kutumia nzila selite kulunga mathina la menamo vate kutumika na ina ateti kweti ithoko kana kutulonga mugo wa enenthi va Kenya.
Ningetaka ku urge our youth tusitumike. Let's not be used to spread politics za gunism. Ati umelipwa na politician uende ukadisrupt mikutano za wengine, or rather hata to change the will of other people. Let's embrace dialogue, lakini sana sana youth, let's ensure that we are not being used by politicians to advance their interest. Niwo kwa kweli bia ndo matena ivandi na nikwatia isu weaponizing sia state, some of the factions sia state kuensure kana ndo mama ina benefit from voter registration, especially areas ila sionekana ta strongholds ya the opposition. Ningo ndo kule serikali yenshuye kana kila mwene nthi ni wethi andikithia kwa na yosa kivandi
ni kumana kiva na nzama nyuvani na vaka IEBC uithia kana usakwani ula weteletwe ni wa wiki kuu na umelu mwingi nzameno kwithiwa yiyungamiti vate kuthothewa kana kulikilwa na tongo imaki uteti kana siasa.
IEBC inamaanisha Independent Boundaries and Electoral Commission. Hiyo ni kumaanisha that they are supposed to be independent from any influence, ikuwe ya state, ikuwe ya any politician ama any kind of influence. Hiyo ni kumaanisha kuwa they should be funded fully kuensure kuwa kama kuna by elections ama kuna elections ama preparation wanaweza carry out their mandate bila kuzuiwa ama kukuwa na any problem. Kila kingi ni on opposition actually ni maendeneza na yetu enda makwata ni kenda matone ku deliver one candidate na loto na kwikata kuungamana yumya musumbio lawevo
kuma Matungulu kaundini ya Masaku nyene Boni Mutisia.